principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Chanchal Yadav.
My name is Richa Yadav.
My name is Soumya Kushwaha.
And my name is Namrata Yadav. We all are from class 9th and we are here to display our presentation of chemistry, and our topic is atom and more information about atom. So let's start this topic first with Chalini.
Now, without wasting our time, let us start about the atom. What is atom? An atom is the ordinary smallest unit of ordinary matter that's so around the chemical elements. Every solid, liquid, gas and plasma are formed and composed in a neutral and ionized atoms. And the atom is the basic building block of chemistry, and the atoms are used to iron the most important atoms in the molecules. Atoms are neither be created and nor be destroyed.
Atoms may be defined as the smallest particle that can take part in chemical reaction. Characteristics of an atom. Following are important characteristics of an atom. Atoms is a neutral species. Atoms of many elements are very reactive. They do not excite as single atoms. They excite as molecules such as H2O2, Cl2, An atom is the smallest unit of an element. Atoms are made up of electrons, protons and neutrons. Atoms are incredibly tiny. It is not possible to see an individual atom, let alone see what is inside one. An atom is 20,000 times smaller than the atom itself.
Now, what is atom? Atom are the smallest thing in the universe apart from energy. Atom are the basic unit of matter in the universe. Everything in the universe is made up of matter apart from energy. And matter.
Now let's show the structure of atom. Let's show the cells that is formed in outermost part of the cell of the atoms, that is electron. And the electrons that have a negative charge and discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson in 1897. And the cells that is formed in innermost part of the atom is neutrons and protons. And the protons is discovered by Ernest Rutherford in 1919. And the mass of the proton is 1.672 into 10 power minus 27 gram. And the neutrons have no charge. These are only neutrals. And the neutrons is discovered by James Chadwick in 1909. The mass of the neutron is approximately same as the mass of protons. And the electron's mass is 5.45 into 10 power minus 4 gram.
Atoms of many elements excite as single atoms, He, CO, Ane, X. Since the same elements of the atoms, therefore there are more kinds of atoms than the actual number elements now. Elements are made of extremely small particles called atoms. An atom cannot be subdivided, created or destroyed. Elements are made of atoms.
Atom makes up everything in the universe. According to Northwestern University, the term atom comes from the Greek word for individual, which means because it was first thought that atom were the smallest thing in the universe. And we all know that it could not be divided, and atom made up of three particles known as subatomic particles such as neutron, proton and electron, which are composed of every smaller particle such as quark. Now, discovery of atom. Atom were created after the Big Bang 30.7 billion years ago, as the hot dense new universe cool condition becomes suitable for quarks and neutron to form quark. Quark came together to form neutron and proton and neutron. These particles combine into the nucleus. This all took place in just a few minutes of the universe. And according to CERN, it took 3,80,000 years to cool enough to slow down the electron, so that the nucleus could capture them to form the first atom. The earliest atoms were primarily made of helium and hydrogen. are the still most evident form of element in the universe.
After the discovery, let's show who discovered the atom. The atom is first discovered by British chemist John Dalton in 1803. And in India, first discovered by the Ashar Khanna. He is also known as a Kashaf. He is an Indian philosopher. Let's show the Dalton atomic theory. He says that atom of different elements combine together to form a new element. Atoms are individual
Good
and
afternoon to my respected teachers and dear students. We are here to demonstrate our chemistry project. That's topic is isotopes and isobar. And my name is Chandranshu from class 9th, and I will explain the chart paper of isotopes and isobar. In the left side of chart paper, there is isotopes of chronic, and the right side of chart paper, that is isobar. And center of the chart paper is isotopes of hydrogen. That first of isotopes of hydrogen is protonium. That protonium is a ordinary isotope, and its symbol is 1H1. And second is deuterium. And second is deuterium. It is called heavy hydrogen, and its symbol is 2H1. And its special symbol is P. And third is tritanium. Tritanium is a isotope of hydrogen which is radioactive, and its symbol is 3H1, and its special symbol is T. Thank you. Now,
Good afternoon everyone, myself Dimashak, and today I am discussing about isotopes. One of the spices of terms of element chemical element. Lithium number. Their masses are different, and the isotopes are their masses. Their masses are
Good afternoon all of you. My name is Chris Kumar. I am from class 9. Today I am explaining about isobar. They have same mass number but different atomic number is known as isobar. The number of electrons are different in isobar. They have different chemical properties in isobar. They are the atom of the different element. For example, argon, the atomic number is
I'm Sony from class 9th, and first of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to stand here. Today I will explain or tell you about the chemistry topic, the discovery of electron, and this topic is fully dedicated to our honorable teacher, Mr. Ankit Sharma sir. So today I will get you how the electron was discovered. So as we all know, electron is discovered by Sir J. Thomson in 1897. And it is a subatomic particle which makes an atom with the help of protons and neutrons. Means when this discovery is ongoing, we know that what are negative and positive charges. And we also know the behavior of these negative and positive charges. But we don't know that the negative charges contributes the electron. But after this, we will get it. And if we will see in our surrounding, everything is made up of an atom. And atom is made up of an electron. So this proves that how the discovery of electron is important for the whole mankind or in the history of science. Now let's get started, and firstly we will see the setup of this.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Mradul, and let me tell you the setup of hood. So here is a discharge glass tube and two metallic plates fitted at both sides. And a high voltage battery of 10,000 volts is also added here. Positive terminal of the battery is added to the anodic plate, and the negative terminal of the battery is joined from the cathodic plate. And a vacuum pump is also added here to lowerize the pressure of this whole tube, and a meter to check the current in the whole circuit. Now this Sharma is tell you the observation of it.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Udit, and I am explaining you the observation of this experiment. When scientists start a battery, they observe current pass through ammeter is observed. They watch out how it has happened. Means there is something connect circuit, but current pass frequently something is connect circuit. There is something negative and positive. Now they have to find out it, so they start conclude that. Now the Atta Muhammad tell you the remaining conclusion.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Atta Muhammad, and let me tell you the conclusion. So they made a hole at the cathode cathode plate. From this page conclude that if the anode positive ray are passing to the cathode and fluorescent material which is present at the metallic plate, if the ray are collide with that material, a glow appears. If a glow appears, means yes, the positive ray that something which connect whole circuit that he observed that he observed that he observed anode are not transferring.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Amananda and let me tell you the remaining experiment. So as my friend Ada Mohammed tell the anode
Good
are not
afternoon
transferring.
everyone. My name is Princey and we are here to representing the molecules and its types. Now I am going to tell you about molecules. Submitted by Princey and Chad and submitted to Ankit sir. Molecules. Now I am going to tell you about molecules. Molecules is a group of two or more atoms of the same or different elements that are chemically bonded together by attracting forces. Thus, a combination of atoms is called molecules. The atom of same or different elements are joined together to form molecules. On this basis, molecules are of two types: molecules of elements, molecules of compounds. Now, Chair tells you about molecules.
My name is Sheikh Tiwari and I am here to tell about molecules type. There are two types of molecules, molecules of compound and molecules of atom. Molecule is the smallest unit of particle of a compound molecule of element. The molecules of an element combine to and more than atom chemically bonded. Number of atom of same element that added to the molecules is known as atomicity. Molecules of compound. It is more one or more than different type of compound. It is known as molecular compound. Example: HCl and H2SO4. We
Now we are representing four types of molecules: sugar molecule, water molecule, oxygen molecule, and salt molecule. Now I am going to tell you about sugar molecule. The white stuff we know as sugar is sucrose, a molecule composed of 12 atoms of carbon, 22 atoms of hydrogen, and 11 atoms of oxygen, C12S22O11. Like compounds made from these three elements, oxygen is a carbohydrate. It's found naturally most plants, but especially in sugar beets. And sugar beets hence their name. Sucrose is actually two simpler sugars stuck together, fructose and glucose.
Now I will tell about the oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule is the chemical element, the symbol and atom number of atom. It is the number of the chlorogen group in the periodic table. A regularly received non-metal and the on the world against that reading for the molecule with meat element as well as with other compounds. Water molecule. Water molecules consist of two atoms of hydrogen linked by covalent bond to the same atom of the oxygen. Atom of the oxygen are electrogate